Hi, you want to hide your like and dislike count for your any one of video? This tutorial only for you. So keep watch this video till the end. This is one of my video before hiding the like and dislikes. So it's have a 2 likes and 0 dislikes. It's visible for everyone. I'll show you how to hide that. For that, log into your YouTube account first and go to the right side corner and click the channel icon and select the third option, YouTube Studio. Select the content and move the cursor to the video, which video you want to do the setting. You can scroll below. You see here comments and ratings. In this section, the downside show how many viewers and dislike this video. So untick the checkbox and click save. You must click the save because without saving this setting is not appear on your video. Now I am searching the same video to recheck the status of the setting. Yes, now the like and dislike count was hidden. It show as an alphabet, like and dislike.
I think this video is very helpful to you. So don't forget to like this video and share this video to new YouTubers and subscribe the channel now to get more help from me, and comment below what are the topics you want to know.